Hey guys, welcome back to our adventure together with a T, Annie, a T, Debbie and the SMC Boys, and after a long hours of walking we decided to eat. And we are here in Olaya to find the place we are going to eat. And we found this one catch-22. The staff are very accommodating, and at that time they are few people eating. And the ambience is good, the style is very retro. And there's a lot of selection on the menu. Typically an American style cuisine. We didn't expect for the cheese stuffed fries. The taste is so good, that's why we ordered again. And up next we will go to Half M Coffee Shop near in Ol Yasmin. There you can print your name on the tumbler.